All right, y'all. I just wanted to show you guys my haul for Aldi's today. It is Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. So I got a bag of 2-pound family pack of shrimp, raw and peeled. I got a pack of bacon. I got 2 packs of pork steaks. Honey, these are gonna be good. I got this chuck roast. I am going to slice and dice and make some steaks with these. I got me some Oreo cookies I'm gonna put in my mason jar, y'all. Look at these, they so cute. He bought me 3 of those. I got 3 packs of broccoli for today. And I'm cooking our dinner today and we eating today. I don't care. And I got a bag of yellow potatoes. I got seasoning salt, minced garlic, black pepper, vanilla flavor. I got some strawberries. And I got some Wild Wonder mini peppers. I love those, cooking with those. And he got him, what is this? Oh, leg of lamb. He got him this. Okay? And girls, look what I, no. So, and he got organic cereal from Simply Nature, coconut and chai granola cereal. And this one is pumpkin seed and flax granola cereal. So, yeah. But I got this for me, honey. I am going to do a trial haul from Aldi's, this pretty burgundy extra large dress. I got an extra large because I didn't know how, it would be made. But this is my outfit for tomorrow. I'm going to get so cute to be out in my living room, just like Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm to cook my Christmas dinner. And we finna eat today on Christmas Eve. I'm finna tell you. As soon as this food get done, we eat. So our menu is steak. I got a beef sirloin that I am going to cut and make some steaks out of. And then I got some pork steaks I want to cook. I'm going to make some gravy, and I'm going to make some sauce. I'm doing mashed potatoes, and for dessert, this one, a peach cobbler, y'all. Alright, y'all, let me get these onions and peppers cut, and I'll be back. Y'all don't need to see that. Y'all don't see me cut this before. Alright, y'all, I'm going to make some roses with these, strawberries. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, y'all, I done made it. Now I'm pouring some lemonade in there. They'll be frozen by the time I make our drinks later. Alright, y'all, I'm about to cut this steak up. And then I'm going to rinse it off, clean it out. Oh yeah, I'm going to cut this. Now my paper towel close. Make some steaks with this. Yeah. Take that off. So, look, y'all. So I put the crust in there just to get it a little crusty, and then I'm just gonna pour the rest of, oh my God. Yeah, this peach chocolate is gonna be so good. I made my baby some coffee, and they're just a coffee. His fever is gone, thank goodness. But he still got that cough. And honey, when you cooking at home, you don't have to be perfect. This stuff is not perfect. And I am not tripping, but I bet it's gonna taste delicious. I bet you that much. Look at that. And then the pork steak is going on the other side. These are done, honey. Look at that. Pork steak, beef steak. All right, you guys, I'm gonna make me and my husband a drink. Nice festive holiday drink. Everything is done. I am about to make my husband plate his mashed potatoes first. We have a nice scoop. He hungry. We ain't ate all day, y'all. And I'm gonna put that butter on here. Oh, I know you love it. Happy holidays to you guys. I really appreciate you guys. My channel is growing so good. I don't want to get emotional, y'all. But y'all is hooking me up. Y'all is hooking me up. My channel is growing. Y'all giving me likes and a whole bunch of love, a whole bunch of views, sharing my videos. And yeah, I'm just a retired CNA. Retired supposedly. Working full time again, doing content creating, enjoying my life, y'all. Enjoying my family. And yeah, it is Christmas Eve. And look at that one. He over there on the couch waiting on his food. Wave at him, baby. Babe, wave back. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much. I will show you guys my peach cobbler when it's done. I'll be back then.